Hello everyone. Welcome to Blessed Fortunes. My name is Neha and today we are performing a general career reading for the year 2020 and our focus zodiac for today is Capricorn. If you or someone close to you belongs to a Capricorn zodiac, the video might be relevant. So as you can see, I have already spread the cards here. So this is a horseshoe reading wherein there are 7 cards and this is your past, your present, your coming future, your your environment which is influencing you, your hopes and fears, and this is your long-term future. So which I can see, as per me the cards are very good. Let's start the reading. Yes, and one more thing, Capricorn are the people who are very much affected by the image. So for them, image is the most important thing. So whatever they do, they just want to have a very good image in the society. If that is affected, they are affected. So yes, so for you, I will start the reading. The first card is the 8 of Wands. Second is 7 of Wands. Third is Knight of Cups. Then the reversed Hangman, the Sun, 2 of Wands, and the Devil. So friends, I can see you have 3 major arcana cards, the Devil, the Sun, the Hangman. So yes, it's a good reading and it's very useful. I think you will be able to relate to it. So as I can see, your past, you used to get a lot of messages, emails, etc. in your past. So things used to shape quite quickly for you earlier. I see a lot of social media here. So were you getting a lot of social media messages earlier? I can see that in this card. And there is also a demerit of that. You were not able to handle so much social media, It was a burden for you sometimes. So this is what your past shows. Your present shows that you are still on the top because you are having that advantage. What is that advantage? Because you are quite skilled. So this person who is picking this wand and this stick and is able to manage all competitors is because this person is very skilled. You know in and out of your business. So you can say that you've mastered everything in your business. So you're very good at it. People cannot beat you. So you are still at that place, you are quite committed and you are still on the top. But there is also one drawback here. Presently you are facing some issues which are, first is your competitors are trying to spoil your reputation all the time. They are behind you because you are quite skilled and obviously you are going quite ahead and you are still at the top. So people who are at a similar business or who are in the similar career are trying to pull you down, spoiling your reputation. Because they cannot affect you in the skill set, it cannot affect you in the work because you are already very good at it. And I can also see that you have some conflicts with the people you care deeply. So you care deeply about for some people, could be a personal thing. You are quite affected because you have a lot of conflicts with them, some issues with those people. People who are very close to you. I can also see this is you, and this is a reversed Hangman card which shows that you know that you need to pause a little. Things are not moving. You're working really hard. You're always busy. And you know that you need to pause. And the best thing is you know it already. So I think you need to calm down, pause right now. You know why this is happening? The only reason is when you are working so hard, when you are able to do everything, whatever is your responsibilities, but other people who are involved in delivering their part of or their share of work, they are not able to do at that pace because everybody has their own speed of working. So when things don't move ahead, you get frustrated because you have already worked so hard and you are so busy working on things, and when things get stuck, you feel burned out. So this is causing frustration in you. I think you should take some rest for a while, pause a little. You can go out, roam roam out in nature and come back, or you just have to do the work little slowly, let others also catch up to your speed. In the meantime, you can think how you can make people work, how you can motivate people work like you in your team or in your work area or in your business. So this is your coming future. So why I am asking you to calm down right now is you are not understanding people's psychology right now. So if you calm down now, you will be able to master emotional. See, this is a water sign. This Knight of Cups is showing the water sign, means you have to master the emotional intelligence. Once you master this, once you know how to manage people emotionally, you will know how to ask them to do the work. You can actually understand a lot. You will become emotionally mature first thing, because you have taken a break, you have paused a little. As well as you will become intuitive, you will know how to get things done, and you will become more passionate about your work because you have already taken some break, you have given some rest to yourself. About whatever you do, see, whatever is your business or your job or your career, whatever it is, but you need to pause a little. This is going to help you a lot in your coming future, and then you can see the results very quickly. You can see the results within 2-3 months max. Even before that, it is possible in a month's time you can see this result. So I think you should take this advice. But just be careful. Don't try to manipulate people because you have mastered the emotional skills, and you are already quite smart. Just manage this emotional thing, and once you learn it, you will be able to manage people around you. So this problem, I think, would be solved. How others are seeing you right now. So it's something which is impacting you. I can see. So there's a kid on this horse and there's a sun, bright sun. So I can see that if you are a single, people around you want you to get married and settle down. So you can think about that. And otherwise, if you are in a relationship or if you are married, people want you to extend the family, people want you to have a baby or settle down properly and have a good family life for now. I think you can do that because anyhow you should be taking some rest and enjoying the life because you have worked really hard all this while. So you deserve a break right now. You deserve to take rest and think about things, how things should move, because you have that ability. In your future, you are also looking for a partnership. See, I told you, you are facing your burnout. So you are also looking for a partnership, for a good partner who can help you, who can divide the work, who can help you solve the work, who can help you think meaning they can stay back and they can do some operational work which you are not able to do and alone, which you are not able to do alone, and take care of people around you who are very slow. So maybe you want, if you are in a business, if you are doing a business, so in that case you will want somebody to share the workload. If you are in a job, you would want a partner. If you would want somebody else also in your project to come and share the load of work. This is going to help you. So if you think this is something you want, you are right. You need somebody. But for some people, whatever they get, they are never happy. So even if they get what they want, they are not happy. So if you want a partner, if you are looking forward to a partner, as I can see in this image, you are waiting for somebody to come and accompany you, to come and help you out. Yes, you should go ahead. You should go ahead with the partnership and trust the person. In the coming future, as I can see, the Devil, Major Arcana card you have, this shows that you seem to be very committed towards your work, and you are going to be very committed. So whether you are in a business or some private venture or something, or if you are in a job, anywhere into career aspect, I can see that you will be quite committed, and I can also see that you have the ability to influence others. See, I told you, in your short term, if you gain this emotional intelligence, if you take rest for a while, if you gain this emotional intelligence now, you will have that ability to influence people. You can get your work done from others. You will know how to ask people to get the work done. So that is something you will master, and you will feel really proud that you are able to do this, because this is the only drawback you have right now. In terms of work, people cannot beat you, but in terms of emotional conflicts, yes, people can beat you. So if you rest for a while, if you learn that, if you rest, you will learn that. If you learn that, this is going to help you a lot. So, but I can also see with all this comes one more problem, that is addiction. You may get addicted to, for some people, not for everyone, you can get addicted to something. So you can start some things like, there are a lot of people who are into a lot of alcohol and these stuff. They will get addicted to it because this is a time when you will master everything, because you will master emotional things as well in your life, emotional intelligence. It may lead to this. Let's see if one more card. Yeah, I can see this is a Knight of Wands. So this card is very good, very good, very good. I can see this reading leading to a very good path. So you need to actually think. If you listen to my advice, I would suggest you to rest for a while. Master emotional intelligence. If you want, you can get married. If you want, you can have a family, get a partner, and don't worry about it. Just trust the partner. And I can also see that you would be a person who will be ready to take all challenges in life, because you will start loving challenges. Now also you do, but then you will be somebody who will be open to it, who wants more challenges in life. So you will be physically very active and very ambitious. This can lead to a big change in life. Your life is going to change for good in some time. In a year's time, you will see this. So all the very best. All the very best. I'm really happy that you got a very good future, and I can see that happening. Let's see what is in there for you. So just try to calm down right now. Master this emotional intelligence, and try to help people and try to influence people to do your work, and no one can stop you then. There is no stopping after that. And all these things are stuck for a while is very temporary phase right now. It won't be forever. With this, we have reached the end of the session. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for joining. And I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you everyone.